Good morning students. Welcome back to biology class. Today we are going to talk about the structure of Golgi body or Golgi complex. Okay. Golgi complex has three parts like endoplasmic reticulum, cisternae, tubules and vesicles. Okay, let's see diagram of Golgi complex. These cyclic structures are cisternae. Okay. It is the transphase or maturation phase of Golgi. And it is concave. Okay. It is cis phase or forming phase of Golgi complex, and this phase is convex. These are transporting vesicles to target organelles or cell membrane. These are secreting vesicles of Golgi complex. And these are forming vesicles of Golgi complex. Okay. And these sac-like and unbranched structure of Golgi is known as cisternae. And these cisternae are interlinked by tubular structures These tubular structures are known as tubules. Okay. So Golgi complex have cisternae, tubules and vesicles. And transphase of Golgi known as maturation phase, and it is concave in shape and towards nucleus. Okay. And this phase towards cell membrane. These vesicles are known as forming vesicles, and vesicles are formed from cisternae because cistern is surrounded by vesicles and tubules. So forming vesicles are formed from cisternae. These are secreting vesicles, and these located nearby to endoplasmic reticulum because Golgi complex received vesicles of endoplasmic reticulum, and in these vesicles macromolecules like proteins, lipids, packaging occurs. So function of Golgi body is packaging and secretion of macromolecules to target organs of cell. And these vesicles are transporting vesicles. Macromolecules are packaged in these vesicles, and these vesicles transport the materials of cell to target organs. That's why Golgi body known as postman of the cell. Okay. And transphase occupy towards nucleus and ER side, and cis phase towards the cell membrane. Now we are going to talk about the cisternae. Cisternae is plate sac-like structure and occupy staying parallel to each other. It means arrangement of cisternae like stakes to each other. It means parallel form, and these form shake like and unbranched structure. Tubules associated with cisternae these are branch structure. Okay, and vesicles are rounded structure and vesicles role play in the packaging of materials of endoplasmic reticulum because RER and SER form proteins and lipid, and ER the factory of protein and lipids, and product of ER packaging by vesicles and transport by Golgi body to their target cell organelles and cell membrane. Okay. Now, what is there is a question, what is dictyosom? Answer, as you know that in plant cell, Golgi body or Golgi complex are known as dictyosom. Because in plant cell, Golgi complex compared to animal cell, it become much polar and impart more secretion to middle lamella and cell. So, capacity of secretion and much polarity in plant cell, Golgi body known as dictyosom. More secretion nature and much polarity. In the plant body or plant cell. So name of Golgi complex in plant cell is dictyosom. Okay. Now we are going to talk about the functions of Golgi complex. First function, and it is very important function of Golgi body, is packaging and secretion. Because vesicles of Golgi complex receive transporting vesicles of ER and pack their macromolecules like proteins, steroid hormones, cholesterol, fat, and target to their destination according to need. Okay, let's see. It is the endoplasmic reticulum complex, RER and SER. These are transporting vesicles of ER. SER form lipid and RER form protein. Okay, so lipids of RER, so protein of RER and lipid of SER. It means ER is the factory of प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड सिंथेसिस. फैक्ट्री का काम होता है प्रोडक्ट को सिंथेसाइज करना, उसके बाद ये प्रोडक्ट सप्लाई करने का काम किसका होता है? गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स का. सो दीज प्रोटीन्स लिपिड्स are stored in the vesicles of ER. Further, these lipids and proteins received by vesicles of Golgi body, and Golgi body इन प्रोटीन्स और लिपिड्स को क्या करती है, अपनी वेसिकल्स में पैक कर लेती है। तो यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, पैकेजिंग। एंड पैकेजिंग of lipid by Golgi vesicles. Okay. सो ER अपने प्रोडक्ट को गोल्जी को ट्रांसफ़र कर देती है वेसिकल्स के थ्रू, और गोल्जी की वेसिकल्स ER के प्रोडक्ट्स को, मैक्रोमोलेक्यूल्स को अपनी वेसिकल्स में पैक करके टारगेट ऑर्गन तक, टारगेट ऑर्गेनल और सेल मेम्ब्रेन तक सप्लाई करती है। ओके, नाउ सेकंड फंक्शन of Golgi body and vesicles are formed through cisternae, Golgi complex help in the lysosome cell organelles. Okay, Golgi complex formed from endoplasmic reticulum. Sorry, there is sequence: nuclear membrane form RER, RER form SER. It means RER form Golgi body, Golgi body form lysosome. So these cell organelles are formed from each other interconnected pathway endomembrane system. But lysosome cell organelles made up of both ER and Golgi. Formation of lysosome is combined function of ER and Golgi body. So it known as GERL system. G means Golgi body, ER means endoplasmic reticulum, L means lysosome. Okay, now Next function of Golgi complex. Golgi complex help in glycosylation. Glycosylation means adding carbohydrate sugar on the surface of protein and lipid. It means Golgi complex help in formation of glycolipids and glycoproteins by adding sugar. RER and SER form lipid and proteins These lipid and proteins received by Golgi bodies and Golgi body bind sugars on the surface of protein and lipid, then form glycoprotein and glycolipids. Okay, glyco means glycogen, glucose, sugar, and it is the prefix. There is protein and lipids are in high amount, but amount of sugar is less compared to protein and lipids. So less amount is added as prefix in the glycosylation. So it is the important function of Golgi complex. Now other functions. Golgi complex help in acrosome formation. What is the acrosome? Acrosome is the head of sperm and protective cape. Cape of sperm is known as acrosome. It means it protects the genetic material of sperm head and tail region. So Golgi bodies form the cape-like structure around the nucleus or head region of sperm that is known as acrosome. Okay, and it is formed by vesicles of Golgi body. Next function, Golgi complex help in vitellogenesis. Vitellogenesis means formation of yolk in human oocyte. एग सेल, ह्यूमन एग सेल में जो yolk बनता है वो किसके थ्रू बनता है? गोल्जी. एंड yolk फॉर्मेशन प्रोसीज को अपन क्या बोलते हैं? विटेलोजेनेसिस. ओके, नाउ लास्ट फंक्शन ऑफ गोल्जी बॉडी, help in cell wall component formation in the plant cell that is known as phremoplast. Okay, it means middle lamella component cell plate formation by Golgi vesicles. So these are the functions of Golgi body. Main function, packaging and secretion. Second function, acrosome formation, yolk formation in female oocyte, protective cape formation in head of sperm cells. Okay,